Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show how to create Shopify account step by step. First, open your browser or the Shopify app. Go to the official Shopify website. On the home page, tap the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address, then tap Continue with email. You can also sign up using your Google, Apple, or Facebook account. Now create a password for your Shopify account. After that, enter your store name. Shopify will automatically check if the store name is available. Now enter your personal details like your name and address. Then tap Enter My Store. Your Shopify store will now be created successfully. From the Shopify dashboard, you can add products, customize your store design, set payment methods, manage orders and customers, and that's it. Your Shopify store is ready in just a few steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.